Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a music subscription or a really good service for your YouTube channel other than the YouTube audio library, which is also a good resource. I'm going to put a link in the description for the YouTube audio library. Most of the songs there are free to use. You can use them however you like. You don't even have to put links to the artists who uploaded them, but it's nice to have the links to show them, give them support in return for their work, for their music. The thing I'm going to show you today is it's the Epidemic Sound service, and this one it's paid, it's not free, but the price for a YouTube channel, for a personal one channel subscription, it's depending on which area you are, but in Europe it's 13 euro for one channel subscription, and you can use as much music as you like for as many times. It doesn't matter how many times you upload and how many songs you use. When you upload a video containing one of their songs, you need to have an active subscription on the channel, and all the songs are cleared through the content ID system on YouTube, so you will not get claims from third parties. It's working. I've been using it for some time now. I've seen a few other websites, Artlist, I think they also have really nice music there too. The problem was that it was more expensive, and I don't know, I liked it. There was a bit more diversity on the Epidemic Sound. You use this link in the description, and you will find it in the description, and it will take you to a free trial, so you can get 30 days free of Epidemic Sound. You can upload videos, and even if you change your mind and you don't pay anything, they will not claim your videos uploaded with their songs, so that's pretty nice. Some songs are better, some are worse, you know how it goes. But if you have a YouTube channel and you want some background music or some music for your epic moments, this is pretty nice. So you choose to pay monthly or yearly. Okay, the YouTube library songs are good but not that great. For this one, if you're really serious about your YouTube channel and you have you make a decent amount of videos at least once a week, then it's a good idea to put good music on the video, because it really helps the video to make it more enjoyable and less boring. So you can try the video library. You can try the library for free. You enter your email address, you make a password, and you do the rest. You get the 30 days free trial. So what you will find in the library, we can just have a look now. So we can browse in the library. Electronic music. Oh, it's really loud. Okay, it was really loud on my headphones. And when you choose the music, I never heard these songs before, so that's nice. You can browse through the songs really easily, quickly. And one thing that is really interesting, you have a song with voice. It tells you it has vocals, and you can choose the full mix and only bass, for example. So you can remix the song if you like, only the drums. So if you prefer only the drums from one song, you can choose that, or melody.
But now I'll lead ahead with grace. I'm winning this race. Give me some space.
Maybe the instruments part is nicer for background, but you can choose full mix and just choose the instrumental version of the song. It's easier. And there are a lot of styles of music, genres. And they have good descriptions for the mood and the style of the song and the BPM, the beat per minute, even acoustic. Their library has a lot of songs. Before they were not adding so many songs, and that's why I cancelled the subscription. I was thinking maybe it's not such a big deal, but actually it's hard to find something that is as good as this, really, and at this price. 13 euro per month or 10 euro per month when I paid yearly. Some songs are pretty cheesy, so yeah, even country music. And you can browse through it really quickly to find the song you like. Not bad. You can get only the melody.
No solid ground. How can I get it right? How can I be strong?
You can remix a song like this, it's pretty nice. This option with the stems, I never saw it anywhere else. Maybe there are some services who have this, but when I tried to find music for a YouTube channel, it was only here, this option. So you can, from one song, you can make multiple ones. But you don't need to, you can choose any song you like, and you can choose by song, by mood. So you can choose an euphoric mood. Euphoric country music, that's unusual. So let's see, relaxing electronic music.
I was knocked down, heard the countdown through the haze in the
Yeah, the interface is pretty nice. I would say if you have a YouTube channel and you use any music on your channel and you think it might be worth it to have better music on the channel, you could try this for 30 days and let me know in the description if you like it or not. Oh, this one is nice. I like it.
Before I lose myself, I'm overwhelmed by you, baby. My heart is trembling. You draw me in. You fill my veins. I wanna breathe you in, breathe you out, falling into different dreams. I try to let you go, but I know I will give up everything
Okay, one song I really like. I'm gonna try to find it. I'm gonna try to remember its name. What's the name? I almost remember it. this is how I really found this whole library thing. What's the name of this song? Oh, I can't believe I forgot the name of this song. Okay, retrograde orbit. If I type it, yeah, okay. I like this song. I found it on Spotify, and I actually added this song on Spotify like it was one of the radio hits, you know what I mean. And it turns out, when I was trying to find more details about the song, it turns out that this song was in the Epidemic Sound library and I could use it. So that's when I started using the library. I wanted to use this song in a video so much that I paid for the subscription eventually. I got the free trial. So I'll let you listen to this song, and thanks for watching. And you have the link in the description if you want to give it a try. This is for not only for YouTube, it's for Twitch, Instagram, and podcasts also. But it's mainly for YouTube and personal use, because if you use it for production for a company to make some videos and movies, it's more expensive. It's not only €13 per month, but still at that level it's really worth it anyway, I believe. So check the link in the description for a free trial if you have a YouTube channel and you want to have some nice music for it. Thanks for watching, bye, and listen to the song. This is my favorite part.